Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 832 and today's topic is pyrotechnic is used as a flare signal in military, and this is a very important military signal which is used in parachute, aeroplane landing, also in ships, and also it is used to create that is fireworks, firecracker, and in India it is very common during festivals to use lot of firework and firecrackers in different colors, different fluorescence, and if there is big occasion, this fire technique, pyrotechnic is widely used. And since 1900, when the film industry was doing well, they started putting some of the flame scenes. So today there is lot of demand of pyrotechnicians, and they should be skilled to handle the fire. Not only there, nowadays lot of accidents are there because this pyrotechnic is a type of science, is a type of we can say science as well as art to make the fire in different fluorescence, and for storage, for manufacturing match boxes, some other type of devices, very skilled technician is needed. And especially in Asian countries, African countries, more particularly in India, there are a lot of accidents because those who are keeping all this mixture of chemicals, they are not fully aware of their inflammable or explosive capacity, so they get the accident. And nowadays in world, all the trucks are modern vehicles which are manufactured, they must have a red flare signals, and for such type of airports which is unknown to a fighter or to pilot, this parachute signals, flare signals by pyrotechnic is very important. So that's why this pyrotechnic is very important for military. And the word pyro technique is Greek term. Pyro means fire, and technique skill means art. So those people who are involved in this technique, that whole technique is called pyro technique. So here pyro technique products are used as a signal flare, and that signal flare is in military and some other places. Number one, pyrotechnics is a science and craft of creating such thing as fireworks. So altogether it is called fireworks. We call firecrackers producing different type of fluorescence works, safety matches, oxygen candles, explosive bolts, and other fasteners parts of an automotive, airbags, as well as gas pressure blasting in mining and quarrying. So these are all products which are very important for our safety purpose, like automobile bikes, as well as oxygen candles, and then pressure blasting in mining, quarrying is all out of that is pyrotechnic. And it is also used in demolition. Pyre is a Greek term, means fire, and technikos is also Greek term, means made by art. So this is called pyrotechnic. The word is derived from Greek terminology. Number two, people responsible for the safe storage, handling, and functioning pyrotechnic devices are known as pyrotechnicians. Since 1900, pyrotechnicians are high in demand to create fire-related effect in film, because in Indian film also, to show the war, firepower. So in that case, they have to create the fire scene. And if they are not good technicians, sometimes there may be casualty. In some films it happened, like in Mother India, like in Mughal-e-Azam, lot of casualties were there because of fire incidents. So nowadays in film, wherever they want to create the fire scene or different type of fluorescence, very skilled fire technicians are required. They are known as that is pyrotechnicians related to films. Number 3, pyrotechnic mixtures have a number of fairly spectacular uses. For example, they have lot of uses, and first use is that parachute flares is mainly used in parachute flares when we are landing from aircraft, enable aeroplane to land safely on strange terrain. Marine signal rockets have been improved by attachment of parachutes. The red signal flares fusee has become necessary for modern truck. So number 4, the red signal flare is also necessary for railway, trains, and many pounds of colored light mixtures are being used for military purposes. Number 5, pyroelectronic products. They are very latest products. They are known as pyroelectronic products, and there are a lot of mixtures, chemical components like aluminum, magnesium, barium, nitrate, all these, they are pyroelectronic material. So the pyroelectronic products consist of mixtures of strong oxidizing agents, easily oxidizable materials, and other material acting as a binder. So pyroelectronic products, which are very important nowadays, used by military and at many places, when at airport, seaport, and it contains 2 material. One is strong oxidizing agent, which can be easily oxidized, and second is binding material, that is binders and color producing substances. The compositions of are used to manufacture parachute flares. So what are the chemical composition to produce that is color producing parachute flares? Is generally barium nitrate, and that is very good oxidizing agent, barium nitrate, and in that mixture it contains 34%. Is very good ratio I have given here. Those who are working in military chemical division or pyroelectronic production division, they can use this ratio and they can manufacture such type of materials. So the first one this contains, that is barium nitrate, very good oxidizing agent, it contains 34%. The second is metallic magnesium grain, means small granules to produce heat, it contains 36%. Then aluminum powder to give strong light, it contains 8%. Then sodium oxalate to give yellow tint, and it contains 20%. These are all very important chemicals to produce this pyroelectronic parachute for aeroplane. And calcium stearate and castor oil, these 2, calcium stearate and calcium oil, they are used as a binder, as a binders, and it contains 2%. This composition does not fire easily, and so an igniter mixture to ignite, such mixture we have to use to ignite these compositions, that is consisting of black powder, or generally we call it gunpowder, and 25% above material to start the flame. So once you take 25% of this mixture percentage, and then black powder, that is gunpowder, and then the flame will start. So with this, your toxic chemicals and this explosive chemicals, military chemicals, pyrotechnic materials is over, and it's a very interesting chapter for those who are having career. I mean, the chemists who are having career in military, they can manufacture different type of toxic chemicals and chemical weapons. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.